Hello, Margaret Munoz here. The name of my business is Tangible Results. Now, tangible means that something is perceptible or that it's real or substantial. And of course, we need to know that we're getting results and making progress when we're tapping. Now, because progress isn't necessarily linear, it's a bit more complex to measure overall progress over a period of time. But it's very simple to do each time we're tapping so that we can tell if we're going in the right direction or whether we need to change direction. And it also helps us to know when we've succeeded and we don't need to tap on that particular issue, symptom, or feeling any longer. The founder of EFT, Gary Craig, realised this, and he borrowed a scale from a South African psychiatrist for use in self-assessment, and it really is very useful. Ardent tappers will doubtless have heard about the SUDS rating. Now, this stands for Subjective Units of Distress or Disturbance Scale. Now, this is why we use SUDS for short, obviously. The subjective bit means that it's what you feel. It's not what anybody else feels. It's just what you feel in any given moment, and it's not set in stone. And the scale that we use, the measurement that we use, is very, very simple. It's a scale from 0 to 10. Now, there's descriptions of the various numbers in the scale. But it's enough for us to just know that 0 is when calm, relaxed, and no upset at all. Then 5 is when we might be feeling quite upset, uncomfortable, might be in quite a bit of pain, but it's still manageable. Whereas 10, it can feel unbearably awful. You might feel so upset that you can't speak. It might feel like you're going out of control. Being the drama queen that I am, sometimes I say 11, which for me is like it's when it's off the Richter scale, which of course is the scale for measuring earthquakes, and it really can feel like that sometimes, can't it? So this is what you do. It's very simple. You've got an emotional feeling, a sensation, a pain in your body. And so you notice, so you really tune into your body and see where it's located. Is it in a particular place, or does it feel generalized, like is it all over? And then you give it a number. So you assign a number to it. Just whatever you think it is, not what anybody else think it is, how bad it is for you. And then you can do a round or several rounds of tapping. And then you pause for a moment and you come back, you check out what's going on in your body, and you give the issue that you've been working on, whether it's a sensation, feeling, a pain, a number again. Then you can set off, you can do some more tapping, you come back, you check it out, give it a number again. And in this way, you can see, are you reducing the symptoms? Have the symptoms gone completely so you can stop tapping? Have the symptoms changed in nature? So you might notice that you've got your anxiety down to 0, but then sadness is starting to rise up. So in that case, you would then give a rating, an intensity rating to the sadness, and tap on that. Or you might find that you're not making any improvement. If it's getting worse, just keep tapping, because you might have just tapped into a deeper level of things. And if you tap, will start to shift. But if things aren't improving, just a couple of tips for that. you might need to look at different aspects of what is behind this problem. There might be resistance, so you could change to tapping on the resistance, to letting whatever it is go. Or you might decide to find some professional help with somebody who can help you move forward from that. So this is a very simple way of measuring where you're at. And so I do encourage you to use it. It will help you as a guide to where you are with your tapping. So I hope that has explained the SUDS rating a little bit more for you. Thank you for watching the video, and hope to see you again soon in another video. Bye for now.